If your crypto is sitting in the spot wallet doing nothing, you are leaving free money on the table. And any day your assets are sitting idle is actually the day you're not earning. And in the crypto space, we call that a rookie mistake. Hi, this is Elijah, and this is the Digital Wealth Blueprint. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the Binance Simple Earn, the feature that enables you to earn crypto on top of the passive crypto that you have actually deposited. Let's take a ride into this. All right, so first things first, sign up on Binance. So what you do is you click the first link in the description section or in the comment section, and once you sign up and then you do the verification, then you can actually follow along. If you don't know how to go about this, I've actually done a video demonstrating how to create an account and how to have it verified. Once you're done, you can now get back here and follow along. It's very important to have your account verified, because if you haven't verified your account, it will be very difficult for you to withdraw as well as to deposit the funds. So once you're done with that, we can now do what we are here to do. I'm here to demonstrate how to activate the Simple Earn. So what you do is, after you've deposited crypto, you need to navigate to this section which reads Earn. Then go to Simple Earn and boom, you're gonna find yourself here. So here's one thing that you need to do. When you get here, you need to check on the available coins that you can actually lock up. So these are the coins which are available. We have USDT, we have USDC, we have Ethereum. If you buy any of these coins, you can actually lock them up. And when you lock them up, you're going to be earning passive crypto on top of them. So these features come in two forms. There's what we call flexible, where you are able to lock up your funds, and then if you need to use them, you can easily withdraw them. So that's how the flexible earning works. You can as well lock up your coins, and when you lock them up, you won't be able to access them no matter how much you want to use them. So you lock up the crypto that you know you won't be in need of, okay? And then you wait until that period elapses, and that's when you get your principal as well as your profits. All those features are here, and I'm going to be showing you how to go about all that in no time, right? So here's the thing. You check for the crypto that you want to lock up, right? So I'm going to go by USDT here. When I tap there, it will actually pop up, and then I'm going to be able to check on the periods which are available, and then I will also be able to check on the profits that I'll be able to walk away with. So for this one here, it's saying we can actually lock up our crypto, which is USDT, for 180 days, and the APR will be 2.19. For this one, which is flexible, we can actually subscribe. So all you have to do is you hit subscribe, and your crypto will actually be locked up, right? But you can still withdraw your crypto, especially if you go by the flexible feature. Okay, so if you want to be specific on the feature that you want to make use of, all you have to do is you come up here, and then you tap there, and you'll be able to see. You'll be able to see the two features, that is flexible and locked. Now here's the thing, the difference between the two is that with the flexible feature, you'll be able to get your funds whenever you feel like getting them, but the earnings cannot be compared to those that you happen to get when you lock up your crypto. So check this one out. Let's look at the locked feature, and then we also look at the durations which are available, right? So yeah, these are locked features, so we can actually buy XTZ and then lock it up, right? And then we also have USDT. We can tap there, and then we check out other details. So the same, we can lock up our crypto for 180 days, and we are going to have 2.19% on top of what we are going to lock up. If we lock it up for 90 days, we're going to walk away with 2.18% on whatever we're going to invest here. And then for 30 days, the percentage will be 2.13. We can click the arrow at the far right there so as to check on other periods which are available. And then we happen to punch in the amount of crypto which we want to actually save, and then we click next, and everything will actually fall in place. Right after those days elapse, you will be able to come back here and redeem your crypto. So this is how we go about these features. Go give it a shot and let me know when you successfully happen to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and share it with those that might want to see it. I'll see you in the next one where I'll be talking about copy trading.